So good morning to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Tata Power share. So previously, when we have discussed about Tata Power, so I've done the complete fundamental analysis and also we have discussed what are the various bulk deals which happened in Tata Power and also the future prospects. And also we have done the comparison between Adani Power as well as Tata Power and which stock would be best specifically for long term. So if you have not watched all these particular videos, then definitely you can watch them. So definitely you will be gaining some knowledge on these two stocks. So today we will be discussing about the updates which are released on Tata Power specifically regarding green energy, so that each and every point will be clear, and then we'll switch over to the technical charts to find out the next possible levels. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so recently we know that an update has come regarding Tata Power, that Tata Power consumers in Mumbai can soon opt for 100% green energy. So this particular statement, when we go in depth, so clearly you can understand that so all the consumers of Tata Power company will be soon able to switch to 100% renewable energy if they choose by paying additional 66 pice per unit. So if they're willing to pay 66 pice per unit, then definitely all the consumers of Tata Power can excise this particular green energy. So previously we know that whenever green energy or renewable energy name comes in mind, basically we used to switch over to Adani Green Energy. So that time when the stock has rallied from its low levels, maybe because of the government influence or maybe because the sector it belongs, so that much demand was present because it was belong to the renewable energy field. So now since Tata Power is also exploring various fields, whether it may be related to electric vehicle segment or it may be related to renewable energy, so definitely it is on a rapid pace. And also you can see that which generates and distributes power in Mumbai has approached the Maharashtra Electricity Regulatory Commission, which is known as MERC, so with a proposal to called green power tariff. So whatever the rise they are going to do 66 pice, so that is known as green power tariff, which includes a premium of tariffs now being charged for supply from conventional sources. Okay. So mainly when this particular plan will be started, so we can see that Chief Executive Officer, that is Managing Director Praveer Sinha, also mentioned that in 3 to 6 months this particular plan will be rolled out, and we want to provide alternate clean energy solution mainly to industries and commercial establishment, as large number of them want to become 100% green energy companies, Sinha was quoted as saying. So he also told a very good positive statement. So basically when we go to states like Mumbai, Delhi, where it is highly we can say pollution is one of the factors. So now since this particular theme is being generated specifically to renewable energy, so Tata Power will be the one company would be benefited by all these things. So earlier we discussed Tata Power as an electric vehicle segment stock because for the power generation basically it is trying to adopt for the electric vehicles. So completely it's a power packed stock. So that's why on a previous day, that is Friday, also we have seen a very good movement in the stock. So Nifty as usual, I told you, so when it corrects as usual it tries to retrace. So don't worry about COVID cases, don't worry about lockdown. So whenever those things come, so definitely stock, if it shows correction, it is a opportunity for you to add at that particular levels, because again and again we won't get that opportunity. So we need to utilize that opportunity by investing in best quality stocks. So recently, that is yesterday, also I've discussed 3 stocks that you can add to your watch list. So definitely try to watch them as well, so that you can invest in good quality stocks for long term and generate a good profitable returns. Okay, so if we see the volume analysis of Tata Power, so if we see the last 3 to 4 days when market was continuously down, so you can see almost in 3 days it has lost roughly 5%. But you can see one day recovery. You can see on March 26th it has recovered the complete downfall that it has done in the 3 days. So whatever it may be, the market corrects because the fundamentally strong stocks don't show that much correction. So whenever they show correction, definitely if market shows signs of retracement, definitely these stocks are going to be the first to retrace from their low levels. Okay, so let's shift to the technical chart. So if we see on Friday, we can see the stock has closed near 103.45. And if we see the 1 day chart, so clearly you can see the stock has been respecting the 50-day exponential moving average, which was coming out to be near 94. Obviously, it has not touched that, but it has moved above that only in a certain region. And you can see a support is also being formed 2 times. That is, we can say a double bottom has also been formed. So you can see immediate resistance, as you can see, it is 103. So it has closed above that, and it is showing that it is further going to rise, because market, if you see SGX Nifty, so that also is trading in positive sentiment. So definitely stock also will start obeying that. And next immediate resistance, as you can see, there is the pivot point of 112.28 rupees level. So that is going to be the next resistance. So if it crosses that, then definitely 115 and 120 would be the midterm targets. Apart from that, if you see money flow index, so you can see it is in the mid-range. So recently we know that when the market corrected, it went little down, but again when the buying started, definitely it has started retracing from those particular levels. Okay, so what we can see in 1 week chart. So in 1 week chart also you can see the same support, that is 95.10, that is in 1 week chart. So you can see wicks have been formed. So what is the meaning of wicks? Especially from the support, if wicks are being formed, it means that buying is seen at that particular level. So because we basically do the technical analysis, so like that many people do the same analysis and they enter at that particular support region. So that's why we see the buying momentum at that particular levels and a wick will be formed. Okay, so as usual in the weekly chart also you can see the same 1112.85 is going to be very crucial. Almost 3 weeks we have seen rejection from that particular level. So if it crosses and if it breaks that, definitely we will see further momentum in the stock. So money flow index also you can see in weekly time frame, it has come from overbought region and it has settled little bit below near 65, which is not completely in overbought region. So further potential will be seen in the stock. So definitely hold from the levels we have discussed in previous videos also. Okay. So already I told you to put these two moving averages. So one is 50-day exponential moving average, another one is 200-day, and also you can see both are trying to come closer to each other. So again, that is a bullish crossover. So try to observe these things. So technical wise, so fundamental wise, we have seen that nothing is negative. So everything is looking pretty good for the company. So technical wise also we are seeing little bullishness may be seen in the stock in the coming session. So definitely keep this stock into your radar, and if you're already invested, and try to average at any particular fall, or definitely you can hold it for some very great returns for long term. So further, if you're having any doubts, you can message me in the comment section or in Instagram. So until then, take care. Bye bye.